Sam here today. I just built this wall clamping system, and got the idea from this from Izzy Swan. He's probably the jig king, you know. This is and I got the idea from him, although it's not built like his. So what I did, these are pilot runners, and I just put a metal hook right on the end, so I can place this anywhere I want here. There's a 1.5-inch pipe up there that'll hold up anything. I even have a couple of my 4-way clamps, and I have a video on how to make these, and you can check out the video on that. These will hold everything flat if you need to. I can get about a 7-footer out of this, but normally I probably wouldn't do anything more than 6 feet. But today we're going to glue up a panel so you can see how this works. These are homemade clamps, and if you got access to a welder or any metal parts, you know, those are pretty easy to make. And for your upper block, I just use a lag bolt, put it wherever I need it. You know, that's going to be a pretty cheap, easy thing to do. And of course, I got this board back here. You pull that out, swings everything out so you can get to it real easy. So we're going to glue up a couple of boards right here real quick, and see how this all works. And of course, you got to have your glue bot. Of course, you got to have a glue bot that puts glue out, don't you? There we go. It's got Type Bond 3 in there, and you don't need that all. Now we got it. Unlike my neighbors, got their music cranked up over there. Hope it's not bothering anybody. And you can also put some polyurethane on here if you need to, so nothing sticks to anything. Well, that was pretty painless. Now we're going to take and I'm going to start in the middle. Everybody has bloopers. All right, let's tighten some of this stuff up. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to tighten up my 4-way pressure clamp, because this is going to hold this thing all flat. Because this thing squeezes like that, and it pulls it together like this. And then once we do that, we can tighten up our other clamps, and now you might have a few boards that are misaligned, but that's no big deal. You know, all you need is your trusty mallet. And once everything's lined up, it's gonna you go. Now you can see how I built that. So yeah, this is going to be pretty. When you're not using this, you just raise up your little shelf here, and or you can leave it down. You can put stuff on that shelf back there. So when you're not using it, this thing just folds up against the wall and doesn't eat up all your space. So yeah, this is it. And you can build one of these. It's all built out of scrap wood, no big deal. And if you don't have access to metal or welding or anything, we can make this stuff here. Well, you can just stick a regular clamp on here and use it, or a pipe clamp. You can just put mount pipe clamps on here, do the same thing. But hey, if you have any questions, just comment below. Maybe I'll make another video or something, show you more close up how this thing works. And now go watch my videos now and help an old man run up his watch time. You know, I need all the help I can get. I'm old now. So y'all have a good day. Bye now.